Hi guys, hi girls, we are in another video about air system. We are Newlacecu. In this playlist we speak about air system and all the things about air replacement system, no surgical air replacement system. Today we speak about white hairs, about the difference quantity of white hairs. Here a little, then you can see in our website all the difference and you can take the decision for your personal case. Here 29 white. Sorry. 95 white. So it means all whites. Almost all white. These 6-5 white and 3-5 in 1B, human white. These 4-0 white and rest in color 1B. The white synthetic in this system. These 3-0 white and 7-0 1B, synthetic white in this system. In our shop we sell all color with different percentage of white hairs. We say to you to order when the percentage are little, synthetic white. When the percentage are very high, human white. Why? Because human white are good, and when there are more other color and less percentage of white hairs, you can color your system and not lost your white. I remember you, we have an Instagram channel, a Facebook channel. If you are not subscribed in our YouTube channel, please subscribe, active the bell, give to this video a like, let a comment. We see next video. Bye bye.